Paul said it best. He said, "I become all things that some might be saved." And I listened to your interview yesterday. You were doing a live taping on your show, and I could tell some of the church people who were on your panel were having a difficult time letting the church out and really letting their true self come out.
Sure, because you know the church has two faces.
Come on and talk about it.
Yeah, they have the church face, and they have the true face, which you really deal with at home. And many people, yeah, they were struggling to say, you know, that they were single and saved. But the fact of the business is, we all struggle with something.
Right.